their prank. That's all they got. Trying to be helpful, and I run out and I get douched with toilet paper.
This is what he wanted with his blower?
Yeah.
To fix his leaf blower, and he throws toilet paper.
So what I'm gathering is he got a bunch of shit paper. John.
I think John's a little.
But at least we got plenty of shit paper if you want to roll it back up again.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Joe was the one behind the blower too, Mr. Oh yeah.
You know what?
I'm on your side.
Hon, I smell it.
Yeah, smell the gas?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of nasty. And
wait a minute, I don't understand. So they threw toilet paper all around you.
No, actually they had toilet paper shoved in the blower. It looked like the blower where they had something on the blower. So
oh, you're kidding.
The toilet paper, but I'm reeking of like gas smell right now.
I smell it.
It's horrible. So, but the best part about the whole thing is here, you might as well come out and get this.
Is that like a whole roll of toilet paper?
Yes.
It is kind of funny.
And the sad part is, it's probably the shitty Scotch paper. They'd come out. But I don't think that, it was on a roller. Look. They had it taped, but, oh, we got half a roll. We're good. So the best part about this is, I got their blower. I got the gas blower and the tube.
Is it broken?
No,
it's a broken
it was running. I shut it off. So.
Oh, the tubes come off of the front?
Yeah, it comes out. They tighten up inside there. There's a screw there. So I got the blower. So that's basically my ransom.
Huh. So what are you going to do with it?
I have no idea. I could smash it into little pieces. Just for spite.
You can't do that. Then you'd owe him. Whose is it? Is it Joe's or Larry's?
I don't know whose it is. It's a Hitachi, so it's not a bad one.
Well, when Larry called you and told you that the leaf blower needed it. It did seem really strange that he needed it done tonight.
Well, that's what I said. I mean, why would you need it tonight? There ain't no leaves being blown at night. And then, I got to get it tomorrow. No, you're retired. Who cares if it's tomorrow? You got all the time in the world. Oh, I got to get it before the weather. Well, there's no weather coming. It's all sunny.
In other words, Larry set you up, but he has Joe do it?
Yeah, Joe's the one that was working it. And I seen Mr. Innocent Kevin sitting in the car.
I thought Joe was on our side.
I thought so too. But there's Kevin. He's sitting inside, Mr. Innocent.
Just along for the ride.
Right, just along the ride. So I got their blower. So we'll see. I think, if I measure everything out, I think I made out in this deal. I got a half a roll of shit paper, and then I got a Hitachi blower.
It's not that Scott tissue, is it? I can't stand that Scott tissue.
Right. It's like wiping your ass with barbed wire.
Come on, John. Oh, what is he smelling?
And you can,
John,
come on. And
you're smelling the cat? Come on. Hey, get in here. No, in here. In. Come on.
The two birds hit me in the neck.
Oh, they're still living in here?
Yeah, shot that neck right in there. Hit me in the freaking neck.
You know what? I haven't, this is a spring-summer wreath. I haven't taken it down.
Yeah, but you can't take it out because the bird's in there. I don't know if they got eggs in there or not.
There's something out here. The dogs smell something.
Well, probably freaking cats under the porch or something.
So you want to get them back with their own leaf blower?
pushing the leaves.
I don't even know where the rake is now.
You lost it. There. Okay. Thank you. There. Now I got a shelf. So you're getting the gist of what we're doing. We're taking Larry's leaf blower back, but we're adding a few little twists to it. So actually we're on what?
What?
A mission from God. Blues Brother take there. So I'm gonna stuff as much of this in. We got all the leaves in the back of the truck. We'll probably lose some of them on the way, but it is only around the corner. So I just stuff some extra crap in here, and then we have a note for Larry. It's not the typical you suck note, it's the you blow note.
Well, make sure
A spin on the blower aspect.
make sure it doesn't blow out.
Oh, well, it doesn't blow out.
So no.
It ain't gonna blow out. Why would it blow out?
No, so that it's in there pretty good, I mean.
Oh, okay.
Were you putting that whole roll in there?
No, just a little bit more. You always like to leave a roll of toilet paper in your vehicle, just in case you have an emergency along the roadway.
Okay.
You ever pooped on the side of the road, huh?
Or maybe a big bag of leaves.
Yeah. Let's say if you poop, not a big bag of leaves, so we're gonna put you blow to Uncle Larry, or Larry, whatever you want to call him, in the end of the tube, and we just don't want it to fall out. So it's in there very nicely.
Yeah, I hope he finds it.
We're gonna put that in the truck. This thing stinks. I don't know if I want to put it inside the truck.
What? Oh, this smells like gas?
Yeah, this one, for some reason, it's running so rich. Smoke. Oh, what the hell? Hitachi doesn't make blowers. I mean, that's not, you go steel, you want to have a good blower.
You don't think the leaves will fly out, do you?
Nope. Hold it. Shit paper. Okay, we good? We good?
We're good.
I still got all them leaves in my crotch and my freaking pant leg.
Well, serves you right.
Why? At least you got pushed into a leaf pile and not...
Yeah? Well, I still feel your handprint on my back.
We've been married 36 years. You should feel my handprint.
Uh-huh.
In certain places.
Listen, you have to park on the dirt road.
It's not a dirt road.
Well, you know, the side road.
Oh. Madison?
Is this going to be because I don't put my seatbelt on?
Probably will. Safety
right.
first, hon.
I'll turn the camera on when we get there then.
Okay.
There's your leaf blower back, Larry.
Yep.
Hope you're happy.
Got a picture of the front door there. Perfect. Let's go. He's got the door back. He's got the "You blow" note. He's got a shit ton of leaves.
And you got a good picture?
All right, Larry, there's the picture of the leaf pile and your stinking rotten Hitachi blower, and a little shit paper for your tears when you got to blow and clean all them leaves up. And hopefully your shitty ass Hitachi blower works, because it's so, I don't know, I can't bash Hitachi. They make good tools. But Larry's going to have to clean it all up, right?
Yep.
5-0. Boom. But that feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah. That was just a little simple thing.
That was a simple thing, but the best part about it is maybe he'll get a little angry or something when he's raking them leaves or blowing them leaves, and maybe a John or Luna turd ends up in that, maybe in that leaf pile.
Did you really?
I'm not saying anything, but we'll see if he finds something, a little extra added bonus that we leave for him. So, all right, I'm feeling good. Everybody have a great day, a good life, and a damn happy Thanksgiving. Life's too short. Enjoy the fam.